Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on finding your passion and purpose. In today's fast-paced world, discovering what ignites your soul and drives your purpose is essential for personal fulfillment and success. Whether you're exploring career paths, pursuing hobbies, or seeking greater meaning in life, this guide will provide you with actionable strategies to uncover your passion and align it with your purpose. Step 1. Understanding the importance of finding your passion and purpose. Understanding the significance of finding your passion and purpose is pivotal in shaping the trajectory of your life. It's not merely about identifying hobbies or interests, it's about uncovering the guiding forces that give your existence depth and direction. Your passion serves as the fuel that propels you forward, infusing each endeavor with enthusiasm and meaning, while your purpose provides a compass, guiding your actions toward a greater sense of fulfillment and contribution to the world. Recognizing the importance of this journey empowers you to navigate life with clarity and intentionality. It allows you to move beyond the mundane and pursue avenues that resonate with your core values and aspirations. By acknowledging the transformative impact of aligning your passions with your purpose, you set the stage for a life defined by fulfillment, authenticity, and impact. Furthermore, understanding the significance of finding your passion and purpose instills a sense of urgency and purposefulness in your actions. It compels you to explore your innermost desires and values, urging you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and exploration. Embracing this understanding empowers you to live a life that is not merely defined by external expectations or societal norms, but one that is deeply aligned with your true essence and potential. Step 2. Exploring your interests and values. Exploring your interests and values is a fundamental step in the process of finding your passion and purpose. It involves delving deep into your inner landscape to unearth the activities, subjects, and causes that resonate most profoundly with you. By engaging in this exploration, you gain valuable insights into what brings you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. This step encourages you to embrace curiosity and open-mindedness as you embark on a journey of self-discovery. Take the time to reflect on your past experiences, noting moments of genuine excitement and engagement. Consider the activities that you effortlessly lose track of time while doing, as they often provide clues about your true passions. Additionally, exploring your values is essential for aligning your pursuits with your authentic self. Take inventory of the principles and beliefs that guide your decision-making process and shape your worldview. Identifying your core values enables you to make choices that are in harmony with your deepest convictions, fostering a sense of coherence and integrity in your life. By immersing yourself in the exploration of your interests and values, you lay the foundation for a purpose-driven life. This process empowers you to make intentional decisions about how you spend your time and energy, prioritizing activities that bring you fulfillment and align with your personal ethos. Ultimately, exploring your interests and values is a transformative journey that leads you closer to uncovering your passion and purpose in life. Step 3. Identifying your strengths and talents. Identifying your strengths and talents is a pivotal step in the journey of finding your passion and purpose. It involves introspection and self-assessment to uncover the unique abilities and qualities that set you apart. By recognizing and embracing your strengths, you can leverage them to pursue endeavors that resonate deeply with you. Begin by reflecting on past experiences, accomplishments, and feedback from others to gain insight into your areas of proficiency. Consider the activities or tasks that come naturally to you, where you excel effortlessly and feel a sense of flow. These are often indicators of your inherent strengths and talents. Moreover, pay attention to the activities that energize and invigorate you, as they may reveal additional strengths waiting to be discovered. Whether it's problem-solving, creativity, leadership, or empathy, each strength you identify brings you closer to understanding your unique contribution to the world. Step 4. Experimenting and taking risks. Experimenting and taking risks are essential components of the journey to finding your passion and purpose. This step involves stepping out of your comfort zone, trying new things, and embracing uncertainty to discover what truly resonates with you. Start by exploring different opportunities, activities, and experiences that spark your curiosity or interest. Be open to trying things you've never considered before, even if they seem unconventional or challenging. This willingness to experiment allows you to broaden your horizons and uncover hidden passions or talents you may not have been aware of. Taking risks is also an integral part of the process. It involves facing fears, embracing failure, and learning from setbacks as you pursue your passions. Understand that failure is not a reflection of your worth, but rather a stepping stone towards growth and self-discovery. Each risk you take brings valuable lessons and insights that propel you closer to your true calling. Embrace discomfort as a sign of growth and progress. Push yourself beyond your perceived limits and embrace the unknown with courage and resilience. Remember that growth often occurs outside of your comfort zone, so don't be afraid to challenge yourself and take calculated risks along the way. Seek out opportunities for growth and development, whether through internships, volunteer work, or passion projects. These experiences not only help you gain valuable skills and knowledge, but also provide clarity and direction as you explore your interests and passions. By experimenting and taking risks, you expand your horizons, gain valuable insights, and uncover hidden talents that guide you towards your true purpose. Embrace the journey with an open mind and adventurous spirit, knowing that each step you take brings you closer to living a life aligned with your passions and values. Step 5. Embracing growth and resilience. Embracing growth and resilience is crucial for staying on the path to finding your passion and purpose. Understand that the journey may not always be easy, and setbacks are inevitable, but each obstacle is an opportunity for growth and learning. By cultivating resilience and persevering through challenges, you can continue to move forward on your journey toward passion and purpose. Step 6. Creating a vision and taking action. Creating a vision and taking action are pivotal steps in the journey to discovering your passion and purpose. This phase involves synthesizing all your insights, experiences, and reflections into a clear vision for your future, and then taking deliberate steps to turn that vision into reality. Start by envisioning your ideal life, considering what brings you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of meaning. Reflect on your strengths, values, and aspirations to create a vision that aligns with who you are and what you want to achieve. Visualize the life you want to lead, imagining yourself thriving in your chosen path. Once you have a clear vision in mind, break it down into actionable steps and milestones. Identify the practical actions you need to take to move closer to your goals, whether it's acquiring new skills, building a network, or launching a project. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to keep yourself focused and motivated. Be prepared to adapt and iterate as you progress towards your vision. Embrace flexibility and resilience, knowing that detours and setbacks are natural parts of the journey. Stay open to new opportunities and experiences that may lead you in unexpected but fulfilling directions. Surround yourself with a supportive community of mentors, peers, and allies who can offer guidance, encouragement, and accountability. Share your vision with others and seek their input and insights to refine your goals and plans. Most importantly, take consistent and intentional action towards your vision, even when faced with challenges or uncertainty. Trust in your abilities and stay committed to your dreams, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to living a life of purpose and passion. Conclusion: finding your passion and purpose is a deeply personal journey that requires self-reflection, exploration, and courage. By understanding the importance of this journey, exploring your interests and values, identifying your strengths and talents, experimenting and taking risks, embracing growth and resilience, and creating a vision for your future, you can uncover what truly ignites your soul and live a life filled with passion and purpose. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and finding your passion and purpose. Share your experiences with discovering your passion and purpose in the comments below. And remember, with dedication and self-discovery, you can unlock your potential and live a life of purpose and fulfillment. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.